Joseph Abrar, Senior General Manager Operations. We welcome you to Select Textile Mills Limited, one of the renowned apparel manufacturing company in the country. Today we are going to take you to a walkthrough to our operations, and I will try to give you a brief description of our existing capacity, capability and quality management system. Before we start with the virtual walkthrough, I would like to mention few things here. We've been in the business for quite a while and we value and understand our customers. For that, we customize our processes as per customers' expectations, and we always welcome and incorporate better ideas and practices into our operations. Our highest priority is given onto the safety of our stakeholders, including own employees and end customers. For that, we are very serious on health and safety issues as well as product safety concerns. We try to establish quality assurance throughout the processes rather only controlling at the quality checkpoints. We are Alliance certified safe facility for our customers, and we kept all required safety systems like central fire alarm detection system, fire hydrant and fire protection system in place and functional. Okay, let's move to processes now. Let's start from raw material receiving process. This is our fabric warehouse. Once we receive the fabric, we keep it separated with color coding as non-inspected fabric in quarantine status. We have the fabric inspection process. Within this, we have a fabric inspection machine. The quality inspectors inspect the fabrics following defined standard fabric inspection procedure. The approved swatch is always attached with them. We follow 4-point fabric inspection system and inspect initially 10% of the total received fabric. If the 10% fails, we do 100% of the total lot and only keep the QC pass fabric for use. We have a restricted and secure reject fabric keeping area. Fabric rolls are kept covered with poly, and detailed description of the fabric is labeled on each roll. We maintain identification, segregation and traceability of fabric as per our customers' orders and styles. This is our fabric defect library, defect classification, fabric inspection SOP, all are posted. We also use calibrated light box for checking fabric shades. We have standard shrinkage tester for fabric shrinkage testing. Basically, we maintain 4-point fabric inspection report, shrinkage test report, shade band report, GSM test report, tearing test report, roll-wise fabric weed check report, all these quality reports for ensuring fabric quality. This is our trim store. Once we receive trims, we keep it separated within designated quarantine area till completion of inspection. Once the inspection is done, only then we bring all the trims accessories to the store and keep it with proper traceability and segregation. We also maintain a very traceable location system with all rack location number and every detail, even mentioning on bin cards. This is our trims inspection area. Each and every supplied item goes through trims inspection procedure as per AQL 2.5 or customer specified standard. Trims inspection procedure, defect classification list, AQL chart, work instruction and process flow chart, everything is posted within inspection area. You can see the accessories inspection report. For all metal trims, we do nickel release test, ferrous test. Also, we do wash and durability test. We do pull test for stud attachment. We keep all non-conforming goods in restricted area. We keep all the approved trims swatches within the process, and also approved trim supplier list, trims inspection procedure, everything is actually displayed within this area. You can see the process flow chart, defect swatch board, and also approved swatches. We have a calibrated button pull tester machine, and we use it for all our pull test requirement. Usually our pull test requirement is 90 Newton. All the pull test instruction, pull test flow chart is given here. We also use light box for shade segregation and shade check. We use a dark room for that. The light box is calibrated from the supplier. Every year we renew, and do the recalibration of the light box. Shade check instruction is also attached with the light box. Throughout the facility, wherever there is any safety issue, we maintain it properly. You can see that we have fire extinguishers in place with required pressure and work instruction. We have the fire hydrant boxes regularly monitored by the fire safety officers. We maintain the temperature and humidity where the controlled temperature is required, like the storage areas. We keep all our storage and CTPAT areas secured by security guards, CCTVs, and maintaining proper registers, records. Tidy, clean, and obstacle free. This is our CAD section. We do most of our designs through CAD. We use Assist Bullmore version 13. We have 2 plotters, Handbond and Eyeline brands, 1 auto pattern cutter, 1 digitizer in this section. We have very skilled and experienced designers and markermen working with full dedication. Mostly we get average efficiency of 86% for markers with larger parts and 96% in smaller part markers. This is our sample section. We call it research and development section. We have number of high skilled sample machinists and developers, very experienced pattern master here. We review each and every style thoroughly from development stage. We have a strong QC and technical team in sample section to follow customers' requirement accurately. We do all development samples, fit samples, PP samples, size set samples here with proper version. We keep all samples properly with traceability here. Sharp control policy is also strictly maintained here. This is our cutting section. As per the cutting plan, we bring QC pass fabric ensuring the approved specification. We have 2 fabric flapping machines. We release fabric tension before relaxation and relax as per fabric type and construction. Usually for cotton we keep 12 hours, and for spandex we keep minimum 24 hours on relaxation racks with proper identification and maintaining in-out levels on each roll. We have 2 long 80-feet cutting tables and 1 automatic spreading machine in the cutting section. We use straight knife machine for lay cutting. We ensure 100% panel inspection for every lay. We have 2 fusing machines. We calibrate the temperature, pressure every day, twice for every running styles. We keep records of those. We ensure fusing strength through peel bond test and keep records on a regular basis. We put much emphasis on metal contamination and metal safety. So we try as much as possible to keep all our customer products safe. That's why we are very sincere on needle control procedure, metal detection procedure. We keep full traceability of all our sharps like cutting blades, other sharp tools like scissors, cutters. As much as possible we try to ensure in the workstation whether it is fastened or not, and we always use the log in log out register for all sharp components and metal components. Dedicated needle controller ensures that only the proper standard operating procedure for needle issuance is maintained, and that is a totally independent process and religiously maintained. Broken needle handling policy, flow chart, sharp tool policy, all these are posted, and the needle controller is well trained and educated on all those metal contamination policy. Needles are kept always under locked cabinet with entry restriction. This is our sieving flow. It's a very spacious sieving flow. We try to keep it very tidy, and we have very trained sievers with most modern machineries, high-tech equipment. Our operators are very skilled, and we follow modern methodologies like traffic light system for their performance monitoring. We provide mocks to almost every critical processes. We have inline inspection for critical processes and inline inspection for 100% sewn goods. We keep all the approved searches with the QC. Work instructions and standard operating procedures are also posted with the station. This is our finishing section. Once we receive washed garments, we ensure required quality parameters, especially shade, and check 100% before input to finishing section. After ensuring loop cutting, thread trimming, we ensure 100% process-wise inside and topside garment inspection. We have here start attachment process. We provide mock-ups with each machine. We do calibration of all our start attachment machines, and we ensure safety guards as well. For all steam pressing, we maintain Teflon shoes to avoid shiny marks, and we keep pressing instruction available within pressing area. Before metal detection, we confirm 100% get up, 5-point measurement, and lot pass audit. This is our spot removing section. You can see the spot remover is properly wearing all the PPE, goggles, chemical mask, apron, hand gloves, boots, etc. We have kept eye wash station available for any chemical risk to eye contamination. The chemicals used here, we have clear post of the MSDS and also safety instruction. Proper ventilation is maintained. This is our packing section. We call it city pet zone. We ensure that no metal component enters within this zone. We do metal search and keep a record of entries. We keep authorized persons posts are posted at the entrance. Before sending any goods to packing zone, we ensure 100% needle detection. Needle detection procedure and broken needle process flow is posted with the operation and maintained properly. We use Hashima brand's metal detector and calibrate it every year from supplier. We maintain hourly 9-point calibration test of the detector and keep records accordingly. We keep record of 100% detection goods as well, and keep detected goods in 1 hour's quarantine for confirming product safety. We keep contaminated garments in log boxes as well with proper records. This is our finished goods warehouse. This is a highly restricted zone and only authorized persons are allowed to enter here. We maintain each and every entry records on registers, and all the shipment goods are properly kept here with identification and full traceability. We have kept several inspection rooms with all inspection facilities. We maintain different customers' inspection requirements here. All the inspection instructions and SOPs are posted here for reference, and inspection records are properly retained. We also have GPQs who ensures customers' technical product requirement before the final inspection happens.